Hey guys, I want to show you something I've been testing out for the last 2 weeks. It's this Craftsman spray gun. It's got 4 AA batteries in the handle, and it comes with the batteries. It's $9 on Amazon. I'll leave a link down below. And this thing has been working out good. This is what I've been running through it. Oxnox, this concrete removal liquid, which that's not working out very good. This is what I mostly use it for, one restore. I've probably used it, I'm going to say 10 times in the last 2 weeks. Probably 7 of the time it's been the one restore. A time or two it's been straight bleach. I can't find my bottle for that. And then I used it once on the heavy duty degreaser. This thing is amazing for $9. I was getting tired of the pump up sprayers, and I get tired of doing this crap all the time, you know. So this adapter fits on all these threads right here. Even fits right here on the LA Awesome. Fits in there. So if you want to spray some LA Awesome, put it in there. It's like that. So I got water in it now. So there you go. It shoots up. I can smell it. So I measured that a while ago. It's 18 feet to the largest portion there. And then I don't know if you can see it, but that's the stream, and you can adjust it for spray like this. See that? Or, and it works excellent. You know, I had a guy one time when I was posting stuff saying you should try that stuff out instead of just immediately posting that it works, so it'll save us some money if we get it and it don't work. So I've used this 2 weeks. Amazon, $9 shipped. So I'm probably gonna buy about 4 more of these so I can leave these adapters in the jugs, because it has a valve that when you push this in, it releases it, so it, you know, opens it up. And this way I can just leave these adapters on my jugs and just take this and put it on. But they don't sell this separate that I can find. I'm still going to look for it. And the easy thing about it is when you go to rinse it, you just take it off. You can take it off here, don't matter. Drop it in. It primes fast. Look at it. Okay, for you you guys that say just make a 12 volt on a 5-gallon bucket, well, I did that. Here's my 5-gallon bucket. So I had my 12 volt pump right here, and then I had a battery right here. And if you're not running at least half, you know, liquid in here, it's real top heavy. And all I was doing was, this thing was falling over all the time, and it just got to be a pain in the butt. And it was more difficult to rinse than this. And my pump, I rinsed it a lot. And like I say, I mostly run one restore, you know, through it. And the pump didn't last a month. And I said, screw it. I didn't like this at all, because I'd only put a small amount in. I only need a small amount. So what's cool is you use one restore full strength, and I just put that baby in there. One restore is my favorite. Do everything kind of a acid, you know. See? It's already there. I mostly use the one restore for fallout. So basically it's normally on the front of the house is all I care about. And just wet it, shoot one restore full strength with this, and then I brush it and then rinse it off. You're done. That's about it. So for $9, guys, it's a heck of a deal. Okay, so as a added bonus to this video, this is what I ended up doing here on that pop-off valve. I just drilled a hole here, and I used the curvature of the coil to shoot backwards like this. So if I'm pulled up on the grass and I have some a discharge of, say, some hot mix, it'll discharge into the street like that, and it's only a small amount. So since I've you know, taken care of this regulator's been working out great. This thing has been working really good. I'm really happy with it. You know, I wasn't happy till I took care of this diaphragm issue in the regulator, but yeah, this is going to work out. So there's my update on this. This is the only thing I added.